Okay, the next step to this project is pretty straightforward, but it might have been a while since you did this. They're going to ask you to name the data frame. So to name the data frame, you click on the word layers in the table of contents once, then twice, and rename this buildings and evacuation sites. They then ask you to insert a new data frame. To do that, you click on Insert. Click on Insert. First option, Data Frame, and you're going to name this Helicopter Landing Site. It then asks you to copy all the layers in the buildings and evacuation sites and paste them into your data frame that you just created. To do that, you click on the layers in your first data frame, hold down the Shift key, select all the layers, and once they're selected, right-click on any of them and choose Copy. Then, right-click on the new data frame and choose Paste Layers. And notice everything that we need in this data frame shows up. Go ahead and zoom in on your emergency site, and they want you to choose a place for a helicopter landing. To do that, what I would do is go to Add Data and choose to add a base map and choose to add imagery. Which will be your first option. Choose Add, and it's going to take a moment to load. Once it loads, and it will take a few minutes, turn off all the layers and zoom in on the incident. What you'll notice is a little discrepancy in the data as the on-ramp that we have is not perfectly aligned to the satellite image, but that's okay. We have a good idea of where this on-ramp is. So we need to choose a place for a helicopter landing site, and I would recommend that you look around the satellite image and decide where should you add that. Once you're ready to add a point on the map for where you'd put your helicopter landing site, you need to go to your Draw toolbar, which is going to be under Customize, Toolbars, and choose Draw. Once your Draw toolbar comes up, you're going to go over here to this rectangle and you're going to choose to say, I want to add a marker. Now, I'm not going to put the marker where you should put the helicopter landing as much as to show you that to add a point, you literally just click on the map. And then notice that once you have that, you can actually change the properties of it. You can go to Change Symbol, and you could choose Helicopter. And notice here's a helicopter, and so we can choose the green helicopter and add that to the map. And people will be able to see that we have a place, we have a helicopter landing. You might want to choose something else that's clear on the map. But if you look and we turn on the county layer again, there is your helicopter landing site. So that's how you get through all of the maps. Once you make these maps, your job is to put titles on it and make it look really snazzy and upload it to Blackboard.